When you drop the aluminum ball through this thing, it just fell right through. When you drop the magnet through this thing, it seems to take forever to get through. And it's not because, all right, when people say it's like a magnet affected by another magnet, this is not a magnet. It does have a real slight residual magnetic field, we found out, but it's essentially insignificant. This is not a magnet. It doesn't attract to the magnet. It's not like it's not iron. It's not even like grabbing onto it like as if it was something that, like if I took it over to the heat run. It's just a piece of copper. So somehow it acts like a magnet when this is falling through. And actually what's happening is closer to what happens at that table. You have a thing called eddy currents. What happens is when current goes through a coil, it makes a magnetic field, right? You get this magnetic field. Okay, this is like a one loop coil. As soon as you drop the magnet through, I probably should have this one after that one. What we learned up there, what you already discovered up there, is when you move the magnet closer to the coil or away, you got a pulse of current. When you moved it in, you got a pulse one way. When you moved it out, you got a pulse the other way. Okay, when I dropped this through, when you did that, when you held it stationary, nothing. When you moved it in, you got a pulse. When you moved it away, you got a pulse. When it feels a field getting stronger, it induces current to flow. When it feels a field getting weaker, it induces a current to flow the other way. What this is doing, as you drop this through, it feels the magnet getting stronger, 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 because it's getting closer. The magnet's not really changing, but it feels stronger to the device, right? As it gets closer, it feels a magnetic field getting stronger, 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 stronger. Then it starts getting weaker, 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 weaker. That whole time, what was happening then? Same thing happens there. Current was flowing in this. They're called eddy currents. So as this falls through, actually electrons in this metal start to go around just like they would in a coil, a loop of a coil. So this is becoming an electromagnet as this falls through. And just like a magnet affects another magnet, you can feel magnets attracting and repelling, same thing. And that's all that was. It's just, this is acting like a magnet while that is traveling through. That's really all it is.